Okay, up till now we covered manual API integrations for the manual order. Now in the second video, here we are covering API based custom delivery. This is the easy part, but I would like to share you so you will not face issue regarding this. So for the demonstration, user want UK cloud dedicated server, and his requirement is like 10 core 64 GB, but instead of 700 GB, the user expecting 1 TB of storage, since his data is around 700 to 800 GB, so he want 1 TB of storage. So based on his requirement, we customize the plan and we will deliver to the user. So let's say $120. So you can able to quote as per the pricing strategy to your users. Now first take the order from the user. How to place the order? First go to the profile, add new order. So in this case, this server supports API. We will tell you which servers is supporting API or not. The manual one we will cover in the third part. Okay, process are same for the manual as well. Okay, now we will enter the server name and choose the product Hyperly Pro. Hyperly Pro is nothing but a custom API connection. Since I'm getting server at $120, so I might able to sell at $150. So I set all the information and click on submit order. So your order has been placed here, but do immediately one thing, go to your order, product, and scroll down to the bottom and write down all these requirements. Let's say this is an admin note. So since it is a custom order, so each and every time every customers need some customization. So you can't remember all this information. So simply you can go here in the admin section and you put the information like DS UK1 10 core 64 GB RAM 1000 GB NVMe at $150 we have sold to the user, and we are getting at $120 and click on save. So that way you can easily understand in some cases if the prices changes or something happens, so you can easily understand from the admin note what configuration he have. So that's how you can able to add custom server requirements here. This will helps you for the future references. And wait for the customer payment, and once the payment completed, simply visit here, scroll down. You need a dedicated service ID. In the first step also we had followed the same step. So simply contact our team. Since we have completed this, now ask user to complete this payment, and once you received a payment, now try to understand. Very first, you take user requirements. He asks you for the customization. Second, you connected with your account manager and he suggested a plan and give you a custom prices. Third, you added your profit margin and place an order for the user in your dashboard. Dashboard in the sense client area. Fourth, take the payment from the user. Fifth, once payment received, simply ask your account manager to place order so you can able to do the payment. And once your customer pay, you pay, now it is our duty to deliver a server. So we will deliver a server via mail. Since it is a custom server, you will get the email login details. Seventh, as it is API allowed server, so you can do one thing. Simply enter your dedicated core or domain tracer service ID. This is the simplest method we can do. For demonstration, let's say this is my service ID. I will copy this, go here, paste here, first save, then update details. You can see the details has been updated. Here, update the password, suppose example this one, which you got in your mail that we have sent after delivery of the server. And if it is administrator, then put administrator, and if it is your root, then put root. And from here you can able to send a email, like example dedicated server or VPS. For the template we have already covered a video, so please go and watch that video. So this way you can able to deliver your custom requirement based server and connect your API, so user will manage their services. I will show you demo for this particular plan. Okay, so here we have connected. Let's go here. See this Hyperly. For demonstration, I am connecting one only brand, and I will go to the power option. Let me restart. See that server has been restarted successfully. That means our custom servers with API is configured with your company WHMCS. Now we will move towards the third part. For that, we will take an example of this server, dedicated server from USA. And this server is around $119, 12 core, 24 GB, 128 GB RAM, and 2 into 2 TB NVMe. So this is a manual order delivery where API is not allowed. So that time, how you can able to deliver? The process is exactly same as your API based custom delivery. So you can consider it this. Very first, go to profile, order. I will choose this manually. Select the server, put the pricing. Suppose we are getting at $119, so I might able to sell at 149 suppose, and I will click on submit order. Okay, now I will wait for the payments. Once user do the payment, I will place an order to our platform from here, and once we receive an order, we can deliver from here. Please make sure that now I will click here. As in the second step already explained, simply do one thing, put configuration details at the bottom of the page, because this is a custom server. Each and every customer need customizations. So because of that only we created these two products, and pricing also changes customer to customer. Configuration also changes. So we will put all the configuration in admin notes. So that helps you to understand. If after 2 years he will ask you what is my configuration, so you can able to check that, or else you can able to understand what configuration he is using. So you can, based on that, you can able to suggest. This is all about what promises you have given or what services you have given. You just have to write it down and save the changes. Since this is a manual order delivery, what you have to do, enter the IP address here. So let's say example, this is the IP address. Just copy IP address. In mail you will get all this information, and enter as a password. And I will enter the password like this one. IP, username and password we will share you over a mail, and once you will get it, simply copy paste here and save changes. Now we have activated it. Go here, choose the template, let's say this one, and I will send the mail. So that's how user will get the login details. After that, how user able to manage to restart or reboot such a manual applications, you have to contact us. So we will do that for you. And how it looks, go to here. This is a manual. It looks like this. It will not get any control options because this is entirely a manual service. So if user wanted to restart, reinstall or anything, he has to open a ticket to you. And once you get the information, just simply contact us or your account manager or Telegram or WhatsApp. So, and even if you simply open a ticket, we will do that. Okay. Manually, the question is why this their server do not have API? Because since it is a dedicated server, we can able to give you IPMI or KVM access. But at this point, lot of servers, you can say around 70% servers are not able to connect with the APIs or not have API system, because technology is not that involved in the dedicated server industries. And the standard practices they do is to simply give the login details, and whenever the user wanted to start, restart or anything, they manually do that. So we also has to do, but we will make sure that we will give you a best quality service each and every time. And to speed up the process, you simply contact us, we will do very short period of time. So that's how the manual order delivery and custom order delivery, or you can say API and non-API based orders delivery, you can able to do that. If still have any queries or still have any confusion, please go ahead and contact your account manager. Definitely he will guide you and clear all of your doubts.